What I see right now, the crowds of people out celebrating on this beautiful summer night, celebrating an extraordinary community, an extraordinary culture that is a huge part of Canada. But before we get into that, I want to give a huge round of applause to Teresa and all the amazing volunteers here at Fun Philippines. Listen, the organization, the volunteers, everyone who comes together to celebrate the very best of Canada at this festival deserve a huge round of applause, because these are the moments where we get together and celebrate everything that makes Canada strong. Our diversity is a source of strength in Canada, and that's what we celebrate every single day. Our ability to come together and celebrate the Philippines, all the cultures and foods and languages that come together to enrich our country so significantly, to celebrate all the hardworking Filipino Canadians who are there every day as small business owners, as community leaders, as frontline health workers who saw us through some very difficult years of the pandemic. How about a huge round of applause for all the Filipino frontline workers who've been keeping us safe. But really, this moment of looking how we can be strong together, how we can be there for each other, how we can support each other as communities through difficult times, this is what Canada is all about. We remain optimistic and focused on the future. We know we're facing challenges, but they're challenges we can overcome when we pull together, when we step up, when we work hard, exactly like the Filipino community, Canadian community has always done. So I know this isn't a day for speeches. This is the day to come say hi to as many of you as I possibly can. So I'm really happy to be here with you all. It's a pleasure to celebrate Fun Philippines with you. It's a pleasure to be here with you this summer. I look forward to coming to say hi to as many of you as I can. Maraming salamat!
When Bernie and Honey Sherman were killed.